Hey guys, welcome to Simply Sule, and I'm your host Sule, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get more views and more likes on Instagram. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Sule. I'm a content creator, a digital design professional, and an all-around explorer. And I'm going to be sharing with you my experience on how to get more views and more likes on Instagram. So first of all, I'm going to start with your niche. I think a lot of people take this for granted, and when they post, they don't know what they're going for. I see even like models and people who are, influencers making the same mistakes. It's the type of photos and videos that you post. If you are a model, you should have nothing but professional grade images in your Instagram. If you're an influencer, the same thing goes, professional grade pictures. I know a lot of you want to just put like quick snapshots of things that you do through the day. And for that, I would advise you use your stories for the quick engagements, because that goes off. But if you really want to give that professional look for someone that's going to your channel to be able to like take it seriously, or even if you're in the feed like to discover, you want people to pay attention to that, get your photos on a professional level. So this can be very simple. This can be as easy as just taking the picture right in the camera and giving it to like someone to edit for you. So we have places like freelance sites where you can get photos from Fiverr for $5 or maybe even less on those sites for people to edit those pictures for you. Or you can get my service, Edit Free Light, which I just launched. It's in this pre-launch phase, which I edit your pictures for you for like $1 a day. So there are services out there that you can get like from freelancers to be able to edit your pictures to professional grade and be able to post them on that platform. This comes up with the number two. The second part of that is the tags that you put in your description. Try to tag the type of groups that you best associate with, and also try to tag some of the smaller channels that may not have that many people tagging them, like the smaller pages, the travel group pages if you're in the travel field, the smaller fashion pages if you're in the fashion field. These smaller tags are going to be easier because not a lot of people are tagging them. So when people view it, they can see your stuff a little bit more clear, especially if it's on a higher production value, if it looks much better than the other things that's on that platform. If you want also to get people to your channel, let's say if it's for services, put text into it, like, check out more of my stuff on my page. If you're a professional that you're selling your service, put text in there to show people that you're selling your service, like, I'm selling this and this. If you want me to design this, I'll design for you. Sell your stuff, market it. Don't be afraid to subscribe to people. Subscribing to people may, like, you might think about it, but in your initial stages, you want to build a community. You want the most amount of people liking your stuff. So subscribe to people that will subscribe to you, pretty much, like people that like your stuff and people that you genuinely like their stuff, so you can actually interact and communicate and maybe even collaborate on some things together. So that's another way. Number three will be it would be through the ads. Now, a lot of you may not have a lot of money to pay for ads, and that's cool. You don't have to pay too much. $10 here, $5 here can get you 2 to 3 two ads up here. You can put up an ad like for $5, put it on for like 2 hours, take it off. You'd only be charged for that amount of time that you took that initial ad on, and then put another ad for a little bit. But this also comes back to what I was saying about having your content at a really good level. If you're coming out there and you're using money, you want the stuff to blow people's minds, like people to be like, wow. And that's why I would really think about having good quality images. But you can push ads out there that will drive people to view your content and also drive people to your channel. Number 4, another way to increase your views online is to actually reaching out to other channels. There's many platforms, and I see this a lot in the travel field, is people that offer their services for the paid cost. So you can have your post on someone's site, on someone's page, and you can pay them, like, depending on the views, maybe like $50 or so, and they'll have your post on their page for the entire day. And you can have your link there for people to go back to your page. I think this is really valuable if you're a business or you're trying to sell a digital product or some type of product, because then you can justify spending money on someone's page, especially if they have a lot of viewers already that view their page, and you can try to redirect that traffic to your page to convert that into sales. So that's another way that I think that you should be using if you have that money and if you have that good quality content on your page. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to be out in, let's say, the Arctic or Iceland or any special location. Just take really good good quality images of the locations around you and post them on your Instagram, on your Facebook. And I'm guilty of this. I don't post as much as I should on Instagram because I'm really nitpicky on what I put online, and you may not even see this video online. Okay, so let's go for my last ways to increase your views online, and it's to connect your different platforms together. I don't believe that you should just be on Instagram. I think by diversing the platforms that you're on, from like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and then making a link between all those different platforms, letting people know that you have all those other platforms, you can build your audience and make your audience share your information on all these platforms, because most people just don't have the one platform. Most people have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, like either two of the 4. Okay, so try to diversify your content and also show people when you post. If you post something on YouTube, share it on Instagram and be like, hey, I just posted something on YouTube, check out the video, and vice versa. If you are on Instagram, on YouTube, and you finish the video, plug your Instagram feed, check out the description, Simply Sule underneath, and you can check out what my Instagram looks like. Plug your website in, SulaimanSaho.com, that's also down in the description. And have people people that really want to know about you more, and then like really are interested in building a bond with you, they will go check yourself out and follow, because they know they're on the platform, and it doesn't cost them nothing. It costs them nothing to follow you or to subscribe. So that's another way that I think that you can increase your view counts on the Instagram platform. I believe in you, and I know that with hard work we can get there together. So if you did like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we will catch you next time on Simply Sule.